Yeah, we look fly, don't we? See that? I'm never go nowhere without representing.
Hey, Mr. Sexy Man.
We're on our way to the next destination. I think is a sunset tour.
Yeah,
So we're
but
gonna
it's
go.
not the sunset set. It's not sunset yet. It's 1 o'clock p.m. So we're gonna do some shopping around, walking around,
The beach.
sightseeing. Then we're gonna go to the beach,
And then we'll
go to the
go,
sunset.
yeah, so we'll be posting more.
Yep.
Peace. All right, so we're on this damn 420 tour, walking up this big ass hill. Oh, shit, I'm kind of out of breath already. But I'll show y'all this motherfucker. We're on the, it's a weed tour. 420. Shit, that took a lot out of me. God damn.
Take them deep breaths. In your nose, out your mouth.
Yeah. Everybody walking. Yeah. Oh, you ain't got your inhaler? Hey, babe, how you feeling up there?
You're all right. You're all right. Go your speed.
Take your speed. Shit, because all you see me, I'm all the way in the back.
Oh, they gonna get out.
Look at this goddamn hill, y'all, because this is the third goddamn hill. God damn. Yeah. This motherfucker. Fucking on the hike. I wasn't ready for this. I started drinking too early to be on this fucking hike. Look at the people behind me. Look at them. Come on, y'all. Y'all can do it. Y'all can do it. Hey, so how y'all feel about this 420 tour?
Listen, come with your tennis shoes, work out before.
How you feel about this, baby?
Woo.
All right, y'all ready? Hey, hold on. We got to take 5. Here we go. What's your thoughts on this damn hike?
If there were no hills, I would be cool with this.
It's too many goddamn hills.
The hills is fucking me up inside.
Yeah, and look at this shit.
Yeah, it's not. Hiking is cool.
Excuse me, babe. Look at that motherfucking hill.
If y'all not in shape, don't do this one.
And that's halfway. You see, Shock didn't make it either. Yeah. Can't do it. Can't do that shit.
Boy,
You gonna do it, Tia?
with his fucking flip flops
Yeah.
up the hill.
Motherfucker ran up the hill in flip flops. And Darnell walking around in heels. Oh, I forgot. He do got heels on. Oh, bad motherfucker. Hey, we be down here waiting. So this is a 440 tour, 420 or some shit. That hike, I couldn't make the hike. But they getting treated nice down here. I'm about to show you. Hold up. See, for that big ass hike, they getting treated, they getting rewarded. I said, yeah, nah, I'm not doing that shit. Yeah, I'm not doing that shit. Pass. Put the weed in the coconut, light the shit up. Yeah.
We want to bring
See there? They rolling this shit. Got the flag going on. 420 tour. 420.
So we checking in again. So we just got back from the
420.
420 tour.
Yeah. Y'all see. So now we enjoying the cocktail. We about to hit this cricket club. I'm gonna whoop her in some pool, and we can do a little karaoke.
Sing my heart out.
And then we're gonna jump in the pool.
Boom.
Bam.
So we'll get back with you. Bye.
Bye. There you go, Helen. I saw you out there getting it. See you out there. Hey, what? You know how to dougie? So we just having a good time. We down here at the bar, just chilling.
I had two people scan out QR code. We're traveling.
Yep.
We're traveling. I'm out here. Let me see it. Put it on me. Put it on me real quick. Ronald, your sister-in-law out here working. I got two QR codes scanned and shit. Don't forget about the little people at the bottom. And I need a piece of the pie.
This gonna be our last video for the night. We're doing a late night dip.
No.
Yeah, for the night.
No.
Yeah, she's drunk.
No.
All right, hey, so here we go. Yeah, I'm gonna dance at your wedding, bro.
Hey, can you kick all this stuff closer to me?
Hey, y'all say something to the camera.
Say something to the camera, man.
We on the camera right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Big 21, man.
Okay.
I'm really out here with my drink.
Y'all.
Shout out to y'all, man.
Yeah. Okay then. Okay, what y'all doing? Y'all over here asking questions about Ja. Oh wow. Okay. Man. No man. Oh, I don't know what they talking about over here. You feel me? Man, what's going on here? Man, you can't even float for her. You singing right now. What you doing? I can't even see you too dark. They all the way over there. Like, come on, bro. What are y'all doing? 5 feet. She not even tall enough. You over here knocked out? What was you doing? You can't see?
Water can't get stuck in your throat.
I was like this, but I was trying to put my feet down with my shit.
Hey, hey.
Fast.
They just called her a bad kid. I don't know why.
Fast ass kid.
Oh my gosh, and she did it again. I don't know what she's doing.
Let's play some country music.
No, whenever she's drunk, she like to drink. Exactly.
Oh, she did say she's drunk. She been drinking too much, guys.
Drinking that too much lemon drop.
Yeah, good lemon drop.
Look at that Blue Lagoon now.
No, hell no. That's me still.
Is it good?
You can't have all 3 fucking drinks.
What it tastes like? You got 3 drinks? What? You can eat regardless.
Yeah, but still, with the liquor, it's gonna hit way different.
It's just like smoking weed, though.
They act like she knows what you're talking about. You don't do that.
That's why I only drunk in college.
I like it here. It's okay, but I wouldn't do too much.
You're smoking another one right now. What you trying to do, Ronald?
Don't ask me. I'm not involved in it. I'm just a cameraman.
Got a joint.
How you too? You're trying to match? What you trying to do? Keep it in rotation.
I got one from the back.
Yeah, she's grabbing the one. Oh, she did.
Put it in my, I never smoked that. Just put it in my bag.
Oh, you smoke out the coconut?
Yeah.
What they talking about over there? They ain't talking about nothing. Nothing important. She got chlorine water in her cup.
Well, I wasn't like too high. My tolerance is too high right now. I need to smoke that purple shit.
He trying to be cool. Ain't nobody out here. Ain't nobody out here.
Huh?
My nephew got the camera, so I don't know what the fuck he's doing.
Yep.
I'm mad, bro. These the wrong sizes. You look good. This is a good fit. It does. In my chain.
Like, trying too hard.
Let's go chain.
Chain.
Give me.
Yeah, you see
I
this?
need some slim.
You see the choker? See the necklace? I
I'm trying to order these, but I
Get a small, get a small size. Like a size down.
fucked up.
Boo.
Yeah, definitely get a size down. I love it.
Why are you coughing?
You smoking reefer?
Yeah. She's smoking chlorine water. Yeah. I'm a vlogger. What they call me? DDG. Quit playing.
I'm that nigga popping.
You want an edible? 2 days. Trust me,
Bingo vibe. My man's game. It's a vibe. My bingo